Apple has been selling the iPads since 2010, and since then they have sold around 400 million iPad units. It's quite safe to say around 300 million people are still using the iPads till this date, and not every single one of them how to use the iPad properly or efficiently. In this video, I'm gonna share some cool tips, tricks, and hacks about the iPads which can make your user experience even better. In this video, we will be using the iPad Pro M4. If you are a pro gamer, you can also use the PS4 or PS5 controller and connect this with your iPad Pro. What you need to do is simply go to the settings and make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then you need to press this share and PlayStation button simultaneously. And you would notice the blinking lights on your PS4 controller, and then you will get this DualShock 4 wireless controller. Click on this. Now your PS4 controller is connected with this iPad Pro, and you can use this controller in your games. This will make your gaming experience even better. You can charge your Android phones using this iPad. What you need to do is simply connect a USB-C cable right into the iPad Pro, and then the second connector goes into your Android phone. See? It's now started charging. If you would like to copy some pictures from your library, what you need to do is simply click on the select button and start selecting the photos or pictures you would like to copy, and then press these triple dots, click on the copy, and the content is copied. But there is a better way of doing this. What you need to do is you need to click on any picture, just swipe it around, and then you have the option to make any copies by a single tab. Say for example, I would like to copy this, and it says 4 pictures are now copied. And if I would like to paste them right into the files, I'm gonna simply drag there and release. And this is the easiest way to copy your pictures from the library to anywhere you would like to paste. You can use the exact same feature on the Safari application as well. Say for example, if you would like to copy this picture, just click on this, drag it, and say for example, if you would like to paste this picture into the Notes app, simply drag there. The picture is copied and dragged right into your Notes. And the option of copying a text is also there. Say for example, you would like to copy this paragraph. What you need to do is long press your finger, swipe it around, and paste it there. So this is the easiest and the most efficient way of copying the pictures from the Safari on the web pages. Not only the pictures but also the text. If you're using your iPad and all of a sudden you get an idea which you want to write down immediately, what you need to do is simply swipe your finger from the bottom right side to upside. You will get this Notes application, and then you can write anything you would like to write. Similarly, if you do the same thing from the left side, it gives you the option to take the screenshot. This trick is limited for the iPad OS 18 only. When you connect your Samsung T7 SSD with your iPad Pro, you get the option to reset or format your external drive using all of these formats: APFS, exFAT, MS-DOS. And this is quite a useful thing. This trick is limited for those iPads only which comes with the USB-C. We are using the iPad Pro M4 which comes with the USB-C, and now we have the option to connect this dongle with my iPad Pro M4 11-inch, and now after connecting this, it gives me the option to use the USB-A slots, and I can connect anything which has the USB-A, whether it's a storage device. I can also connect a basic keyboard and mouse and use that with my iPad Pro. This is a very useful thing, by the way. You should have this in your accessories. You can use 2 pages on your iPad at the same time. Say for example, I'm using the Wikipedia and I would like to take some notes. What I need to do is I click on these triple dots, click on the split view, and then I open the Notes application. Now I have 2 pages running simultaneously. I am using the Wikipedia and I can take my notes simultaneously. If I would like to close one, I can simply click on the close and this will close the second window. And we can also adjust the size. Say for example, I would like to have more real estate on the Wikipedia page and the less real estate on the notes. I can do it. And similarly, we can also close this page altogether. If you select something and press 3 fingers on the screen, you get the option to copy, and then if anything is copied and then you press 3 fingers again on the screen, you get the option to paste. This makes your copy paste experience more fun and easy. If you double tap your single finger, it gives you the option to select one word. If you double tap 2 fingers, it copies the entire paragraph. You have the option to adjust your keyboard. Look at this keyboard, it has a very big size and it is literally covering the 50% of the screen. You can adjust the size of your keyboard by simply squeezing it down. Now you have the keyboard which is way smaller, and you can also adjust its location. And when you're done with it, you can also expand it back. And this is quite a useful thing when you want to use your iPad with the one hand and type something. One thing more about the keyboard, if you notice the keyboard, it has 2 digits or 2 things written on it. Say for example, if you look at the Q, it says Q, which is illuminated, and 1. 1 is dull. If you click on the Q button, Q key, it will press the Q. But if you swipe the Q upside down, now it will say 1, and when you're doing it, it will show you now the 1 will be pressed. And similarly, if you click on the numerics, if you long press the 0, it will give you this degree option. So if you would like to write 1 degree, what you need to do is simply click the 1 key and long press the 0 key. Now select the degree and it says 1 degree. You have all these options with the different digits, with the different words as well, and keep exploring it. These are the most used tips and tricks about the iPads, and people are using a lot if they are pro iPad users. If you learned something new through this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and do consider subscribing if you would like to watch this kind of content in future. Thank you for watching.